through films or web or TV, वो कहाँ जाएंगे, वो किसको ब्लेम करें? I mean, struggle is such a big word in the industry. हम सब स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं, हम सब स्ट्रगल कर रहे हैं. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप इंडस्ट्री को ब्लेम करके अपनी कोई गलत कदम उठाएंगे तो पूरी इंडस्ट्री ब्लेम पे आ जाएगी. दिस इज सो अनफेयर. एंड आई फील कि यहाँ पर जो एक्चुअल मुद्दा है कि कोई इंसान, ही मस्ट हैव गॉन थ्रू हिज ओन टर्मोइल, भले ही वो पर्सनल हो, भले ही वो प्रोफेशनल हो. मुझे आप बताइए कौन से प्रोफेशन में स्ट्रगल्स नहीं होते? कौन से किस इंसान की जिंदगी में प्रोफेशनल या पर्सनल स्ट्रगल्स नहीं होते? आई थिंक डिप्रेशन एंड टर्मोइल एंड मेंटल इलनेस is a problem, and your loved ones need to be there for you, and that's what you should concentrate on in talking about how people should come together and take care of each other and be good to each other. And I don't care agar aap bol rahe hain ye galat, I don't care about that. I am fine with that. That's your opinion, and that's what it matters. Okay, you can have your opinion and I can have mine, but that doesn't make the entire scenario wrong. And please, can I please beg and say that this is the time to think about your loved ones and people who need that help, people who are not talking about the problems that they have in their lives. I mean, it's really sad that you're sensationalizing this topic right now, whereas people need to give some respect to the soul that has departed. And yes, it is a tough industry. Every industry is a tough industry. आप क्या जब हॉस्पिटल्स में जाते हैं वहां पे हायरार्की नहीं होती है? सीनियर डॉक्टर्स, जूनियर डॉक्टर्स, नर्सेज नहीं होते हैं? ऑफ कोर्स होते हैं. वर्क एटमॉस्फेयर किसी का भी अच्छा नहीं होता. आपको अच्छा बनाना पड़ता है, आपको खुश रहना पड़ता है, आपको अपने आप में इतना आत्मविश्वास जगाना पड़ता है कि यू नीड टू ट्राई एंड बी द बेस्ट ऑफ इट. इमेजिन कि पूरे दुनिया में छोटे से कीड़े से लेकर बड़े राजा तक हर इंसान की रिस्क, हर इंसान की रोटी, हर इंसान का करियर, हर इंसान का जितना भी नसीब में है वो लिखा हुआ है. क्यों? क्योंकि आप मेहनत करते हैं, आप मेहनत करते रहिए. And if anything is affecting you, if you're going low in life, please reach out to your friends. Please let your friends help you. Please let your family help you. And that is what is important. That is what is important right now. Please stop sensationalizing someone's passing away. For God's sake. क्या मिलेगा? आप वायरल हो जाओगे. मतलब I just saw something on TikTok yesterday. कि एक बहुत ही बड़े स्टार हैं हमारे इंडस्ट्री के, उन्होंने माय मिस्टेक शायद बेख्याली से एक ऐसा वीडियो डाला जिस पर आई थॉट वाज प्रमोटिंग सुसाइड. मतलब एक आदमी ऊपर से गिरता है, उसकी आवाज आ रही है और वो नीचे जाके थाड़ करके गिर जाता है बिल्डिंग से. एंड देन इट इज सेड कि आपका आधा साल निकल गया, विच इज सच अ बैड ईयर 2020. एंड आई फील लाइक ओके, मे बी इट हैज सम ह्यूमर इन इट, बट it's also promoting the fact that somebody jumps off the building. And it is so sad that somebody who we all look up to can put up stuff like that, which is so irresponsible. Of course, it was taken down later. But I feel like, क्या हम promote कर रहे हैं? So, if every person takes a pledge कि हम responsible रहेंगे, हम एक दूसरे को प्यार करेंगे, हम एक दूसरे की सहायता करेंगे, हम एक दूसरे को support करेंगे, and that is what is important. No matter what field you're in, stop targeting people in the film industry or in the entertainment industry because it is easy to target them. मतलब, do you even know that guy committed suicide who was blamed for तबलीगी जमात का बंदा अपने गांव वापस गया, उसको इतना blame किया गया that he actually committed suicide. And I don't even think he had spread it to anybody. He just got recovered and went back to his own gaon. So I am saying, please, for God's sake, let his soul rest in peace. Stop sensationalizing it. Stop talking about it. Stop just speculating what must have happened. Stop blaming his friends and family for it. For God's sake, please. अगर आप कुछ कर सकते हैं तो प्लीज अपने फ्रेंड से बात करिए. If you know someone is in need, talk to them. Which is a given, which must happen no matter what field you're from. And can I please also say that your life is too precious. Anybody who's watching this, and if you can hear me out, your life is too precious. Don't give up on it. Don't give up on it. ऊपर नीचे बुरा वक्त अच्छा वक्त आते रहेगा, आता रहेगा. It's not like none of us have struggled. I have sold stickers on streets. And everybody feels like, oh, you're in the industry now. No, I've come from there. And alhamdulillah, whether there's work today, I haven't worked in the last 4 months. Like everybody else. सभी घर पे बैठे हैं, right? So, बुरा वक्त आएगा, अच्छा वक्त आएगा. Please don't give up on your life, for God's sake. Please don't do that. Don't do that. I'm sure you have lovely families, great friends. Try and, if you're going through depression, if you're going through something which needs help, please get help. I know people think that, oh, going to a counselor, going to a psychiatrist is some taboo, and people make it look like, oh, तुम डॉक्टर के पास जा रहे हो क्योंकि तुम पागल हो. नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. I know somebody who's so close to me who's gotten so much better because of help and therapy. So please आप help लीजिए, get better, feel better, don't give up on yourself. Life is beautiful, and if anybody is going to tell you that is the easiest way out, please don't let anybody encourage you for that. For God's sake, just be in a good space, in a positive space. I know it gets tough. I know it must have gotten to a very bad state for anybody who takes that step. Lekin for God's sake, for your sake, for your family's sake, don't do that to yourself. Always stay positive. Always stay happy. Always stay kind. People feel like kindness is just a word. No, being kind to yourself, being kind to others is the most important thing, is the most important thing. So just be happy. Someone says therapy is amazing. Thank you for mentioning it. Thank you. Who's this? Sherani Lala. Yes, I'm so glad that you agree. I have, okay, let me ask you something, all of you. Have you ever walked out on somebody? Like completely never spoken to somebody ever again? Have you given up on a friendship? कभी आपने कोई फ्रेंड से झगड़ा किया है and never called her back or never called him back? Have you? So you're also equally responsible for probably causing some kind of a negative thought in somebody else's mind. So please, ego, pride, ये सारी चीजों को दूर रखिए. Reach out to your friends who probably you've lost touch with. I've had somebody just walk out of my life like that in 1 second, very, very recently, and never called back. I mean, that person has never ever reached back to me and said, are you okay? Are you okay? So all I'm saying is, don't have that expectation, but remember, don't break someone's heart, don't break someone's belief in you, in humanity. Reach out to your friends, reach out to your family. It's a very important time. It's a reminder for everybody to be kind. Just be kind. Please, and Snow is trying to knock my phone off. Please be kind. Let people who are going through a major loss right now, let them just be, for God's sake. Stop speculating. Stop making things viral. Stop making so much hate in you that you're saying, oh, ये industry ऐसी है, ये ऐसी है. यार, when I was growing up, people were like, oh, air hostess नहीं बनना चाहिए because it's the most badnaam industry in the world. आई मीन वो इंडस्ट्री को ब्लेम कर करके, डॉक्टर्स की इंडस्ट्री को ब्लेम कर करके, मतलब वी आर ऑल जस्ट ग्रोइंग अप टू द सेम थिंग. अरे बिजनेसमैन ऐसे ही होते हैं, डॉक्टर्स ऐसे ही होते हैं, ये फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वाले ऐसे ही होते हैं. मतलब क्या है, आपको ब्रेक भी तो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वालों ने ही दिया ना. अगर आप किसी को ब्लेम कर रहे हो तो जिसने आपको ब्रेक दिया वो भी तो किसी इंडस्ट्री के ही पार्ट थे ना, इसी इंडस्ट्री के पार्ट थे. तो प्लीज फॉर गॉड्स सेक स्टॉप मेकिंग अ स्कैंडल एंड जस्ट लेट पीपल रियलाइज देयर ओन मिस्टेक्स कि ओके अगर किसी ने किसी को इग्नोर किया है, इंडस्ट्री ने कोई कुछ एक्स्ट्रा जाके हेल्प कर सकता है तो करेंगे, डेफिनेटली करेंगे. ये लोगों को चीरफाड़ करना, उंगली उठाना, हर बार वीडियो बना के ये सारी चीजें करना कि कौन जिम्मेदार है. लेट द लॉ डिसाइड इट, लेट द फैमिली प्लीज बी, लेट people go through their own process of healing. And if you are out there, we are only blaming nepotism which is faced by outsiders. Not true. I'm not from any filmy family. Yes, it takes longer. Yes, it gives you a difficult chance to kind of prove your talent, but what is there, you can still try and make it, you can still do that. And if that was the case, then I don't even know how these people, after doing so many films, make these videos talking about how the industry has been unfair to them. It just doesn't make sense to me. Instead, you should encourage people to kind of have a warm heart, talk about how you can help each other, how you can give others the opportunity. The industry right now, all makeup artists, technicians, जितनों के घर चलते हैं इंडस्ट्री में, अब आज की तारीख में सब बेचारे घर पे बैठे हुए हैं, तो उनको हेल्प करने की कोशिश करिए, उनके लिए काम जनरेट करिए, तो एक दूसरे को हेल्प करके आगे बढ़िए, सो इट कैन बिकम अ बेटर प्लेस फॉर एवरीबडी. It's very easy to pin down people, pull people down, make the best out of somebody else's tragedy. Please don't do that. Everybody else, please concentrate on spreading love and stop scandalizing these things today. Please just stop. Okay, I'm feeling very hot. Let's talk about something else. I hope everyone is doing fine. Pramod says, give me a smile, please. Hi. Are you coming in any movie of Karan Johar? Why are you supporting them? No, I'm not actually. I've never worked with any person who you guys are blaming for nepotism. I'm not supporting anybody. Open your brains and think about what I'm saying. Love you and be safe, ma'am, says Sema Star. Thank you very much. Add me, please. Rukaiya. I don't want to add anybody today on the live because obviously I'm not in a great mood myself. I love your positivity. Thank you so much, says Tanzeel. Hindi mein bolo, ma'am. Okay, Bikram, Hindi mein bolungi. Hi, give me 1 second. I'm going to put the AC on. I'm feeling very, very hot. Hold on. Sorry. Okay, I love Khan sisters, says Aksa. Thank you very much. Take my name, it's Rida Yaqub. There you go. You're an amazing person. Stay blessed, says Janvi. Thank you very much. Thank you. That's really sweet. Why don't you support non-star kid? Huh? Why don't you support? I support everybody. I love everybody who comes from any part of the world into the industry. So yeah, it's really, really, really shocking and sad that someone who's such a warm person. I met him only once in my life, but he was so warm, and it's really sad that he passed this way. But please pray for his soul, pray for his family, stay positive about it. You look beautiful, sis, says Nateha. Thank you very much. Okay, so that's about it. I just wanted everybody to know to stay positive, stay happy, stay away from scandalous news, WhatsApp forwards. Please try and spread positivity instead of, you know, bringing each other down. Lots of love to all of you. I wish that everybody realized how precious this beautiful thing called life is. And if today I can kind of even put that in the heads of you 1700 people watching me, please, आपकी ज़िंदगी बहुत ज़्यादा खूबसूरत है और इस वक्त ये बोलना बहुत ज़्यादा important है. Hi Mridhi, how are you? My beautiful friend. It's very very important to stay positive in these times, especially लोगों के पास काम नहीं है, खाने को नहीं है, रहने को नहीं है. एंड जितने लोग मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे इस वक्त हैं, प्लीज़ वैल्यू योर लाइफ, प्लीज़ सीक हेल्प इफ़ यू कैन. किसी से बात करिए, शेयर करिए. आप अकेले नहीं हैं इस दुनिया में. एवरीबडी कैन हेल्प यू, एवरीबडी कैन लव यू. Please never ever feel alone. That's why I always keep my DMs open. A lot of my people who have ever reached out to me for advice, whether it was marriage problems, whether it was, you know, somebody losing a boyfriend or broken heart, or, you know, job nahi hai. I always try and talk to people whoever I can and give my best advice. So please, just share it with your loved ones. Be happy. Be in a good space of mind. Whether you have work, not work, it'll come. Everything will come. Everything falls in place with positivity. Struggle will never stay forever. You know, you just have to work hard. Stay focused. No matter what industry you are in. Thanks, Pridhi. Thanks so much. Yeah, because it's so bad right now. Yeah, everybody is only talking about how the industry is to be blamed and how everybody is not nice in the world and how everybody is, you know, not helping each other. And I just don't want that to be the only thing that goes in people's minds. So yes, everybody struggles. Yes, my stories have not been like, people keep asking me constantly, shadi kab karogi, shadi kab karogi. Do you think that is not a mental, you know, it doesn't help, it doesn't bother a person's mind? It doesn't bother me because I don't really care about what you ask me or what you think I should be doing. But it is 20 साल की उम्र से लड़की को शुरू हो जाता है, शादी कब होगी, शादी कब होगी, शादी कब होगी. क्या वो प्रेशर नहीं है? You know, काम कब करोगे? हस्बैंड्स के ऊपर प्रेशर होता है, बच्चे बढ़ रहे हैं, you know, पैसे कब आएंगे. आप जब काम कर रहे होते हैं, डॉक्टर्स में हायरार्की का प्रॉब्लम होता है, बिजनेसमैन में ये होता है कि कौन किसका डील ले गया. I mean, these are all mental pressures, and if you're going to say that the problem lies only within the film industry, then it is a lie. And you're trying to, I don't know, you know, make the most out of it for your own benefit. So please, Amna says, I got married at the age of 30, doesn't matter. Exactly, right? You can get married whenever you want or not get married. How does it matter? It actually, you know what? It was my biggest dream to get married. Ever since I was 18, I was ready to be married. Okay, fine, I'm going to get married. And my friend Riddhi actually knows that because I was very, very ready to be married. But look at me, I'm not married, and that's fine. If somebody put out a video that really disturbed me, a girl was crying about how her boyfriend left her and she was going through the worst depression, and I felt so bad for her that she feels like just somebody walking out of her life drove her enough to end her life. And of course she didn't, thankfully, thank God. So you just need that one person. आपको वो एक बंदा चाहिए या बंदी चाहिए जो आपको सुने and आपको समझ पाए, and that's all you need to get through to your, you know, through your bad times. That's all. So please stay focused, stay happy. Try and let people heal in their own time, in their own pace. And Veena says, don't worry, you'll find someone good looking. Yeah, that is my only criteria to find someone to get married, right? Only good looking. But thank you, that's really sweet. No, yeah, someone should be a good person firstly. Nothing else matters. हाँ, पैसा important है थोड़ा बहुत. सेटल्ड होना चाहिए. बट या, you are amazing. Love and happiness, says Manhas. Thank you very much. Okay, I hope there's some positivity there. I hope you could take something from this live session of mine and try and remember कि अगर आप किसी और को भी सुन रहे हैं कुछ नेगेटिविटी फैलाने में, कितने बार हम खुद गॉसिप में पार्ट लेते हैं, हम खुद एक दूसरे को नीचे गिराते हैं, हम खुद किसी और के बारे में बकवास करते हैं. वी फॉरवर्ड रबिश अबाउट ईच अदर टू within our friend circle and laugh about it. Of course, the film industry is probably a tough place to be in, and everybody doesn't like you. Everybody will gossip about you. There'll be very few people who will actually think about your talent and support you. But that's fine. That's okay. You are on your own journey. Remember that. आप कोई भी इंडस्ट्री में हो, आप अपनी खुद की जर्नी पे हैं. आप खुद की जर्नी पे हैं. आप किसी और से कंपेयर करेंगे या किसी और के सक्सेस के बारे में सोचेंगे तो आप सचमुच अपने दिमाग को बहुत ज्यादा नेगेटिवली अफेक्ट कर सकते हैं. सो प्लीज बी ऑन योर ओन जर्नी, बी हैप्पी, बी काइंड. आई थिंक माई so before. Alright, I love you guys. Stay positive. Spread happiness. Mwah.
हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें. सो फ्रेंड्स, कीप वॉचिंग फोकस मूवी एंटरटेनमेंट.